Welcome back to the channel, Jaden Chase. Now if you're new, remember to like, to share, and also to subscribe. Now for supporters of Andre Stevens, this is definitely good news. As Andre has stated that despite going through a situation with his former executive producer, he's saying he will now be continuing to speak with supporters on various platforms, various different social media platforms where supporters have already started to. He did also touch on the situation with his channel and with Wayne. Let me continue what on and they will continue reasoning. I want to look and listen.
Thanks to everyone who sent up a prayer for me. Thanks to the many churches who were praying for me. I ask you to continue to pray for me. Prayer alone can beat the war of the fight, yeah. Prayer alone can beat the fight, yeah. I know you all miss me, but I can't come back until I sort out a lot of things. I can't come back to YouTube or anything until I sort out some things. I'll be doing some Facebook Live from time to time, because you know them, I'm blocked out on my YouTube for a while, so I have to go use Facebook and talk to no. I mean, I have no problem use Facebook and talk to no, because I must have Facebook made it start pan. So until I get access back to my YouTube channel, I'll be using Facebook to talk to you guys all. And I'm not the owner of that YouTube channel, as you can see. So I'm going to use Facebook for come talk to you from time to time. I've worked hard for my 90,000 subscribers. I don't think I should give up my 90,000 subscribers like that. But I'm taking my time to think through a lot of things. As I say, if I say anything extreme, I'll come out and talk to you about it on my Facebook page. Like the little 8-year-old children who were killed. I'm very, 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 very upset about that. The much woman them will get dead in a Riversdale, the quadruple death, and medic mother cry out for help. Me see everything. Me see say certain people turn speaker of the house. And now nepotism go in at the house, and now people are going to get wrong in at the house. Because I don't know how Prime Minister's wife will be speaker of the house. When she have no moral decadence and no moral reptitude for deal with nobody with respect. I don't know how she fit turn speaker of the house. And now the JLP are going to mash up the PMP in the house. What has been said, thanks to the prayer warrior them. Where I pray for me. I go up on the road here now. Alright, so love you. Me talk to you during the course of the day. God bless you. God bless you all. Me nah in no bag of talking and no Isha CC and no cuss out with nobody. I forgive everybody and everything is behind me. Me nah getting no cuss out with nobody and no, me nah have no time for that. God asks me for just restore my energy. And that me I do right now. Bye bye, Jamaica. Soon again.
Now, if you're new to the channel, just a pass through. The more you click the subscribe icon, then the bell icon, and of course, more you put it on all. And this is how you know will be notified of all fresh content. As soon as fresh content is uploaded and made available for you right here upon the platform. Now the like icon is also in close proximity to the share icon. So you can drop a like and boost a share and tell a friend, for tell them sister and them brother them, for check out the channel, check out the reason, and also join the discussion. As I say, the comment section, open 24/7. It never lack yet. Just be respectful and mindful of the guidelines. But other than that, you can drop your thoughts, your comments, and yes, your opinions there. And we can continue the reasoning via the comment section. Now, of course, until the reason again, my sentiments for you and yours is, of course, for you to live, love, and prosper, and for you to stay tuned. Now, a quick recap. Andre Stevens has stated that he plans to continue the work that he has been doing on social media. And of course, supporters are definitely happy with this news. Until the reason again, live, love, and prosper. Stay tuned.